Why am I kneeling down for this shot? I just wanted to show you how compact this system is. Tyler, Andrew, and his crew over at Stott HVAC did an incredible job giving me a very compact snow melting system. And I wanted to kneel down so that you can get a sense of how small it is. And to give you options, because you don't need to have a big space. I don't have a big mechanical room. My mechanical room is only 160 square feet. And as you can see, I have angles and everything that limit my capabilities. But it's not to say that it cannot be feasible.
Who doesn't like a heated driveway, right? Well, here we have a 1,000 square foot driveway that uses a very efficient boiler connected to 2 Takeo circulators that use less electricity than 1 light bulb, and a Tecmor Wi-Fi controller for, like I said, ultimate control. We're using very little gas to heat this driveway, and we're only heating it when there is a heavy snowfall. And you know what? We love it. It works.